Hi everyone, Mr. Kennelly here. Hope you're all doing well. Here's a quick video on adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, now if we have what we call a common denominator, that's the same number on the bottom of the fraction, the things are very straightforward. All we're going to do is first of all keep the same denominator, that's the bottom of the fraction, and on this one, 3 add 1 gives me 4. To give me an answer of 4/5, and on this one 3 take away 2 gives me 1. Really straightforward. I'm sure we can all do that. However, we may have a situation where we've got mixed denominators. So here's a little mixed denominator question. I'm going to do an add first. A fifth add a third. Okay, as you can see, the denominators are 5 and 3. So what we're going to do is to create a new denominator. And that is created by multiplying our two existing denominators. So 5 times 3 gives me the number 15. Now, I always lay it out like this, which is a little bit unusual. So my new denominator over 15 add my new denominator over 15 equals something over 15. I always put this one in because a lot of people put 15 add 15 is 30 there. So that just stops me sort of taking the wrong value through. We're then going to do something called cross multiplying. So the first value I'm going to do is this, which is 3 times 1, which gives me the number 3. Okay, we're then going to cross multiply the other way, which is 5 times 1. I'm trying to do it in different coloured pens to help you out. So 5 times 1 gives me the number 5. So my new equivalent sum is 3/15 plus 5/15. Again, add our numerators, which gives me 8/15. Okay, I'm going to do a mixed number subtract. So again, this one's a little bit trickier. We'll do 3 1/2 subtract 2 1/5. Okay, mixed number means you have a whole number in a fraction. But the important thing is we've got different denominators. So the first thing I'm going to do is convert them into what we call improper fractions. That's 3 times 2 is 6, add 1 is 7 over 2. And then 2 times by 5 is 10, add 1 is 11. So it's minus 11 over 5. Okay, now we're going to do exactly the same as we did before. We're going to take the 2 and the 5 and create a new denominator of 10. That's 2 times 5 gives me 10. So my new sum is going to be something over 10, take away something over 10. And what's that first value going to be? So 2 times 11 gives me 22. Sorry, I've done them the opposite way around this time. And the other value is 5 times 7, which gives me 35. So 35 over 10 minus 22 over 10. Okay, so my answer is going to be over 10. And 35 take away 22 gives me 13, which is 1 3/10. So 35 take away 22 gives me 13. Keep my denominator of 10, it's improper. How many 10s are going to 13? 1 whole 1, 3 remainder, and the denominator 10 carries over. Hope that helps you.